Today I'll show you how to use ChatGPT on Android. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. The official ChatGPT Android app is available from the Google Play Store, and OpenAI says you should make sure the app is published by OpenAI. OpenAI also says the Android app works on devices running Android 7.0 or newer. To get started, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone and search for OpenAI ChatGPT. Install the official app from OpenAI, then open it and sign in, or create an account. OpenAI's Help Center says this is the normal way to get started with the Android app. Once you're inside the app, using ChatGPT is simple. Tap the message box at the bottom, type your question or request, and send it. You can ask for help writing messages, explaining topics, summarizing text, planning ideas, brainstorming, or learning something new. OpenAI's ChatGPT overview says the mobile app supports typing, voice conversations, and asking about photos. If you prefer speaking instead of typing, OpenAI says you can start a real-time voice conversation by tapping the sound wave icon in the mobile app. That lets you talk to ChatGPT more naturally, almost like a live conversation. You can also use images in the app. OpenAI says the mobile experience supports asking about photos, and newer image features are available in the Android app when it's updated to the latest version. So, if you want help with a screenshot, a photo, or a visual question, update the app first and then attach the image in your chat. Now, here's something helpful to know. Your chats can stay in your history, so you can go back and open older conversations later. OpenAI's Android help collection includes chat history, deleting chats, exporting data, and other account tools inside the Android app. If you run into a login problem, OpenAI says one common fix is updating your Google Play Store version and trying again. OpenAI also notes in its Android help collection that Google Chrome as the default browser can matter for logging in on Android. So, in simple terms, install the official app, sign in, type or speak your request, and use the app for writing, learning, brainstorming, voice chats, and image-based questions. That's the basic way to use ChatGPT on Android, and that's how to use ChatGPT on Android. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.